What if you could rebuild your muscle strength, feel decades younger, and do it all from the comfort of your own home? Would you start today? By age 80, most people have unknowingly lost up to 50% of their muscle mass. And that silent decline could already be affecting your balance, energy, and independence. This video reveals a breakthrough daily habit backed by Harvard and Mayo Clinic that can restore your strength even if you're in your 70s or 80s. You'll also discover two surprising lifestyle shifts, including one that requires no movement at all yet accelerates muscle repair and recovery in just 10 minutes a day. These aren't fitness gimmicks or extreme workouts. They're science-based habits proven to reverse age muscle loss and boost your strength at any stage. You'll walk away with practical steps you can start right now, from smarter exercises to simple nutrition timing and an unexpected sauna secret used by super-agers. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from and which part of senior health you're most curious about. Your input helps us serve you better. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild your strength, restore your vitality, and feel confident in your body again. According to Dr. David Sinclair at Harvard Medical School, even people in their 80s can reawaken their youth genes through short bouts of targeted muscle activation. That means your muscles are not fading from age alone. They're just waiting for the right signal to grow again. You can start saving yourself today. Rebuilding your muscle strength after 50 doesn't require heavy weights or painful routines. It starts with a simple method called progressive resistance training. This technique is one of the most effective ways to boost senior health, preserve mobility, and prevent muscle loss naturally through gradual strength work. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to light movements and need a stronger signal to grow and repair themselves. Aggressive resistance training works by gradually increasing how much you challenge your muscles, sending the body a clear message: you still need strength. Harvard Medical School reports that older adults who use progressive resistance experience less frailty and enjoy longer independence. Meanwhile, a Mayo Clinic study found seniors age 70 plus gained up to 3.3 pounds of muscle in just 12 weeks without lifting heavy gym equipment. So how do you start at home? Begin with chair squats, slowly lowering and rising with control to gently wake up the leg and core muscles. Add wall push-ups, leaning into a wall and pushing back with strength. This builds upper body stability without hurting the joints. Next, try resistance band rows. Sit down, loop a band around your feet, and pull like you're rowing a boat. Aim to perform each movement until your muscles feel slightly tired. Then rest and repeat 2 or 3 times. These exercises can be done in your living room using a sturdy chair, a wall, and a resistance band or towel. No gym needed. You only need 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 days a week to start feeling a change in your muscle strength and mobility. Meet Anna, 72, from Ohio. She started with chair squats and wall push-ups every morning after breakfast. After 6 weeks, she was able to climb stairs without holding the railing and even returned to gardening. Remember, form matters more than speed. Move slowly and with control to avoid injury and improve muscle activation. If you have trouble with balance, use a chair or countertop for support while doing your movements. Progressive resistance training is one of the most powerful habits for senior health and healthy aging because it gives your muscles a reason to grow. It supports mobility, builds confidence, and helps prevent the muscle loss that leads to falls, weakness, and slow recovery. When you're just starting out, track your progress by writing down how many reps you can do or how strong you feel. Small wins build momentum. Celebrate when you do 1 more rep or finish a set with better form than last week. The great part? You don't need to lift heavy to rebuild strength after 60. Just be consistent and listen to your body. This method isn't about pushing to the limit, but about working with your muscles safely and regularly to stay strong. Incorporating light protein meals like eggs, lentils, or yogurt post-workout can improve recovery and muscle rebuilding. Even sipping water right after training helps your muscles heal faster and prevents cramping or fatigue later. Use this simple habit to protect your independence, stay active, and enjoy the freedom of healthy aging. You have the power to take control of your senior health and stay strong after 50. One rep, one session, one step at a time. You don't need to lift more or move faster. Sometimes, all your muscles need to grow stronger is a little extra heat. Heat exposure is a simple, relaxing way to accelerate muscle recovery and support healthy aging, especially for seniors over 60. From sauna sessions to warm baths, using heat the right way can reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and boost muscle-building signals in the body. This makes it a valuable companion to progressive resistance training, giving your body the ideal environment to rebuild stronger after each session. According to research from the University of Eastern Finland, seniors who use saunas 4 to 7 times a week experience 40% less muscle loss. The Mayo Clinic also confirms that heat exposure increases blood circulation, reduces stiffness, and helps muscles repair more quickly after activity. You can start small at home with a warm bath for 15-20 minutes after light exercise or stretching. Add Epsom salt or essential oils like lavender for extra muscle relaxation and better sleep. If you have access to a sauna or steam room, try 2-3 sessions per week, starting with 5-10 minutes and gradually increasing. Drink plenty of water before and after to stay hydrated and help your body flush out toxins through sweat. For those without a sauna, even wrapping in a warm blanket after a shower or using a heating pad can simulate mild heat therapy. The goal isn't extreme heat. It's gentle warmth that signals your body to release healing proteins and reduce muscle tension. John, a 75-year-old from Denmark, began using short sauna sessions after his morning walks and noticed reduced soreness and better sleep within 2 weeks. He said he felt lighter on his feet and was finally able to walk his dog without knee pain holding him back. Heat exposure doesn't require effort. It gives your body a break while still helping it recover and grow stronger over time. It's a smart strategy to add to your weekly routine, especially if you're looking for low-impact ways to boost your mobility. For best results, combine heat therapy with light movement or stretching beforehand to activate circulation before the warmth sets in. A warm bath followed by a short nap or calm breathing can also reduce stress hormones that interfere with muscle recovery. You don't need expensive equipment to benefit from this, just consistency and awareness of how your body responds to warmth. Use a towel roll under your neck, dim lights, and soft music to turn bath time into full body recovery for healthy aging. Muscles heal and grow not just through movement but through recovery, and heat helps your body shift into that healing mode naturally. This makes it a powerful tool for senior health, mobility, and preventing muscle loss, especially when paired with safe exercise. Studies from Johns Hopkins Medicine show that heat therapy increases production of heat shock proteins, tiny repair agents that protect cells from age damage. These proteins help your muscles recover faster, improve resilience, and keep you moving comfortably well into your 70s and 80s. So whether it's a sauna, bath, or warm compress, let heat become your daily invitation to rest, recover, and rebuild. It's never too late to add simple recovery habits that restore your vitality and improve the quality of your days. You have more control than you think over how your body ages, and even small daily comforts like heat can lead to big, lasting change. With just a few warm minutes a day, you can protect your strength, soothe your joints, and support the future of your senior health. Short bursts of controlled heat help reduce stiffness, ease sore muscles, and prepare the body for restful sleep. Adding heat exposure after your walk or home workout helps maximize the muscle-building signals already active in your body. Use this time to breathe deeply, reflect, and let your body feel supported. It's just as important as the workout itself. Some seniors even report better digestion, lower stress, and improved focus after consistent use of heat exposure. The key is to make it regular, not long or extreme, just part of your wellness rhythm, like brushing your teeth. Gentle heat teaches your body to respond better to stress, inflammation, and cellular aging. It's not about sweating buckets. It's about consistency, comfort, and caring for your body's deeper needs. If you're new to this, start slow and listen to how your body feels during and after each session. Set a reminder, schedule it like a meeting with yourself, and make it an act of daily self-care. Seniors around the world are now combining heat and movement to stay strong, agile, and vibrant into their 80s and 90s. Whether you live in a cold or warm climate, your body can still benefit from strategic heat at the right times. This simple habit is your way to say yes to longevity, independence, and a body that still serves you beautifully each day. You don't need to change what you eat, just when you eat, and your body can unlock new energy, strength, and muscle efficiency after 60. Intermittent fasting, IF, is a gentle, time-based eating method that supports senior health, muscle recovery, and healthy aging without cutting your favorite meals. Instead of snacking all day, you simply eat within a set window of 8-10 hours, like from 10 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m., then rest your digestion overnight. This approach helps your body use food more efficiently, improves insulin sensitivity, and gives your muscles more time to recover and grow. According to the Salk Institute, time-restricted eating boosts muscle mitochondrial function and hormone balance even if you don't change your diet. A study published in Cell Metabolism showed a 10% increase in muscle efficiency in just 12 weeks from IF alone. After age 60, your metabolism slows and your muscles respond differently to food. IF helps reset those signals by aligning eating with your body's natural rhythm. It reduces nighttime inflammation, supports blood sugar balance, and gives your muscles a better environment for repair during rest. To begin, try a 10 o'clock IEM to 6 o'clock PM eating window with 2 meals and 1 light snack, paired with water or herbal tea between meals. Start slow, just delay your breakfast by 1 hour for the first week and give your body time to adapt. During your eating window, focus on high-protein, nutrient-dense meals like eggs, salmon, lentils, and leafy greens to fuel muscle strength. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime, as your body needs time to shift into repair and recovery mode at night. Margaret, 68, from Ireland, started intermittent fasting and noticed fewer sugar cravings, better digestion, and more energy in the mornings. She now wakes up rested, with a sharper mind, and says she hasn't felt this strong in years. You can drink water, black coffee, or herbal tea outside your eating window. These don't break your fast and help keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is key, as your body naturally flushes toxins and supports cellular cleanup during fasting hours. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet. It's a rhythm that helps your body do what it already knows how to do: restore, renew, and rebuild. And when combined with strength training and heat exposure, it creates a powerful synergy for senior health and longevity. Fasting helps activate autophagy, your body's natural cleanup system that removes damaged cells and supports healthy aging. Harvard researcher David Sinclair calls it the most accessible anti-aging tool we have, and it costs nothing but time. IF also helps regulate appetite hormones so you feel satisfied longer and avoid late-night snacking that disrupts sleep and muscle recovery. By syncing your meals with daylight, your body improves its internal clock, known as circadian rhythm, which boosts energy and metabolism. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Even 5 days a week of gentle fasting can offer significant benefits over time. Use a simple timer app or kitchen clock to track your window. It's about building awareness, not creating pressure. Many seniors find that fasting gives them more freedom, not less planning, fewer cravings, and more space to enjoy meals mindfully. Start small, stay curious, and notice how your body responds. You might be surprised by how natural it begins to feel. Healthy aging isn't just about what you eat, it's when, how, and why, and intermittent fasting helps you tune in to all three. This habit restores balance, supports strength, and keeps your body working with you, not against you, as you grow older. You have the power to simplify your meals, support your muscles, and protect your energy. 1 hour, 1 meal, 1 mindful choice at a time. Intermittent fasting is not about restriction. It's about rhythm, renewal, and a return to your body's natural wisdom. Gentle fasting in older adults supports healthier glucose levels and improves how cells respond to nutrients. It also helps reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to aging and muscle decline. You'll sleep deeper, wake up clearer, and feel more stable in your mood and focus throughout the day. Many older adults say they feel younger and lighter just from giving their digestion a daily break. This small window of fasting creates space for your body to heal and regenerate from within. Think of it like spring cleaning for your cells, clearing out the clutter so they function better, longer. Fasting in sync with your natural clock helps preserve lean muscle and reduce unwanted fat gain. With time, this simple habit becomes second nature, just another way you care for your health. Fasting may feel challenging at first, but many seniors report it quickly becomes one of the most rewarding parts of their health journey. You're not starving yourself, you're honoring your body's need for balance, rhythm, and real nourishment. Here's a gentle recap of the 3 daily habits that can help you stay strong after 50 and enjoy healthier, more independent years ahead. Progressive resistance training, light strength movements like chair squats and wall push-ups activate your muscles and help reverse age decline in strength and mobility. Heat exposure, warm baths or sauna sessions reduce inflammation, speed up recovery, and support joint health. Key ingredients for senior health and healthy aging. Intermittent fasting, eating within a set window, gives your body time to repair, balance hormones, and improve energy without changing your diet completely. Together, these small habits build a strong foundation of daily rhythm, better circulation, and improved nutrition for seniors, with lasting results over time. Every movement, every meal, and every moment of rest is your opportunity to support your strength and protect your independence. Even if you're starting today, you have the power to make real changes and guide your body toward balance and strength. It's never too late to rebuild strength and regain independence. We'd love to hear from you. What's one tip from today's video that you're excited to try first to support your strength and healthy aging? Share your story or questions in the comments below. Your experience might just inspire someone else on their senior health journey too. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Guide for more daily videos on strength, mobility, and lifelong energy after 50. We're building a friendly space where seniors can learn, grow, and feel empowered, one small habit at a time, one strong day at a time. Remember, your next step doesn't have to be big, it just needs to be yours. Stay encouraged, stay consistent, and stay strong after 50.